Friends, welcome to the Textual Education. This is a video series of Java database connectivity with MySql database. In this video, we will learn how to fetch data from database. So now let's get start our video. Open the DB operation class and create a method by name public void get all data. First we will fetch all data, then we will learn how to fetch a specific data from database. Create a try catch block. I'm always use try catch block first before writing any code. So this is the best practice to get the exception or prevent your code from breakable condition. That's it. Now the first step is we have to create a variable of connection object. Now create a connection variable, then prepared statement variable, then result set variable. Result set is used to store the data in the row column format, and the string query. Here we will pass our query, MySql query. Type here select star from employees, employee, emp.employee. empdb is our database name and employee is a table. Now the first step is creating connection. So con equal to connection provider dot get connection, then prepared statement object pst equal to con dot prepare statement, pass here your query, then result set rst equal to pst dot execute query. Let's check the result set object. If rst not equal to null and rst dot next, that will ensure you that the result set object contains the data. Next method moves the cursor to the first row of selected data. So let's apply a loop here. Do while loop rst dot next while condition. Here we will fetch column name one by one. So name equal to rst dot get string. Here you have to pass your column name that are in our table. Now the next display department equal to rst dot get string, pass the parameter name as department. These are the column name that are in your table. So column name must be same here that you are fetching with queries. The next step we will display the salary. rst dot get string salary. Now the next system dot out dot println mobile number, rst dot get string mobile, and this is the column name in our table. Now next create a row separator that will help you to differentiate the records one by one. Okay, this method will fetch all records. Now close the JDBC connection. In finally block connection provider dot close JDBC connection. sorry. Okay, that's done, all done. Let's check. Okay, this is query hour. Now first we create the connection object, then we create the prepared statement object, then result set. With the help of result set, we apply a condition that result set must not be null and the result set dot next. And here we apply the loop, do while loop, because the cursor is moved to the first row due to next method call. Okay, name. These column name must be same as your in table. Let's test our code. DB OPRS object is already created, so we will use this OPRS dot get all employees. Now run your project. Here you can see we have fetched all data from our table. These are the 4 records that are available in our table, MySql table. Okay. So this is the process how we can fetch data from MySql database. Let's check the data. These are the records that are available in our employee tables. Okay. So this is the process how we can fetch all data from our database with JDBC connectivity from MySql. Now we will learn how to fetch a specific employee data from table. Create a method by name get employee by ID in our DB OPRS class. Here we will create a logic to fetch a specific employee record. Create your try catch block and print the exception if occurred any. Now the steps will be same. Let's create an object. Create a variable first for the connection con equal to null, prepared statement pst equal to null, result set rst equal to null, string query. Here we will type a specific query, select star from empdb.employee where id equal to id which we have passing here. Now done. So let's create a connection object, con equal to connection provider dot get connection, pst equal to con dot prepare statement, and pass your query. rst equal to pst dot execute query if rst not equal to null and rst dot next. Here okay, we forget to apply the else block if the record are not found, no data found. If record found, then this will display all records. If data not found, this will display no data found. Also applying here. Now you can copy the code from above. This is the same code. That's why you can copy here and paste it here. Now done. Save your code. we will call get employee by id method, and the process will be same. Create your connection object, then prepare a statement, then result set, then apply your condition, then print your records one by one, and this is the exception block if any occurred. Now let's close the connection object in final if block. Every time it is good to close your connection in final if blocks, because final if blocks executes every time. Now let's test the method that will fetch a specific record from our database. Now oprs dot get employee by id. Here we pass your id. This is a parameterized method. Now run a project. Done. The id 1 it belongs to Ramcharan. So this is the how to fetch specific record from database. Now change the id 2 and the second id record. Now change the id 3. Run your project again. Shyam Chandra. Good. This is working fine. So this is the process how to fetch all records from database and how to fetch specific records from database. Everything depends on the query. Whatever query you pass, you will fetch that kind of data from your database. So thanks for watching. We will see you in next video, where we will learn how to update record in MySQL database.